Welcome to this tutorial on how to add an email pop-up on Wix. Adding an email pop-up to your Wix website is a great way to capture visitor information and grow your email list. To start, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix editor. First, click on the Add button on the top bar of the editor and select More from the drop-down menu. This will open up a new window with various apps and integrations available for your Wix site. Search for Wix Email Marketing and click on it to install the app. Once installed, click on the Email Marketing app to open it and then click on the Create a Pop-up button. This will take you to a new window where you can customize your email pop-up. Choose a template that suits your website design and click on it to select. Now you can customize the pop-up by adding a headline, description, and call to action button. Make sure the content is clear and concise, and the call to action is prominent and actionable. You can also add a background image or color to match your website design. Next, connect your email list by clicking on the Connect Your List button. If you don't have an email list, you can create one by clicking on the Create a List button. Follow the prompts to set up your email list and connect it to your pop-up. Finally, set up the trigger and timing for your email pop-up. You can choose to display the pop-up on page load, on scroll, or on exit intent. You can also set a delay and frequency for the pop-up to avoid annoying your visitors. Click on the Save button to save your email pop-up and then click on the Publish button to make it live on your website. Test your email pop-up by visiting your website and making sure it appears as expected. With these steps, you can easily add an email pop-up to your Wix website and start growing your email list today.